Welcome back to the Animal Rights Tour. I'm Carly, and this is the final episode in Season 1. We've been looking at animal welfare laws, and this time we are going to look at whether the animal welfare model works. Let's start with what animal welfare laws have achieved. First, they've been hugely successful. They have transformed the quality of life of literally billions of farmed animals around the world. Animal welfare rules play a real part in how animals are looked after in farming. Secondly, they have changed our attitude towards animals. People recognize that animals are living creatures, and we shouldn't be cruel to them. And finally, animal welfare laws continue to grow. Countries improve their laws, and more countries are introducing stronger laws. So things are getting better for animals. But welfare conditions are still not good for animals, despite laws being around for more than 200 years. I don't mean the dog or cat in your home, who probably does have a pretty good life. I mean the billions, literally billions, of animals kept and killed in factory farms every year. They have a poor quality of life, sometimes very poor. Google it. It really isn't a good quality of life at all. And these pigs and chickens and cows are sentient, thinking, feeling. So the question is, do we just need to push harder for more animal welfare laws? Or is it just the wrong approach altogether? The current model, the animal welfare model, you could call it a paradigm, is that humans and animals are totally different. We shouldn't be cruel, but we can still kill them for food and clothing and test new drugs on them. We can do things to animals that would be absolutely wrong to do to humans. So some people have suggested another paradigm, that animals are independent, sentient, interesting, and we don't have the right to experiment on them or eat them. The basic idea of the animal welfare model fundamentally misunderstands the status of humans and the status of animals. That animals and humans are similar in morally relevant ways. Each should have the rights to a life worth living. And that is the animal rights model. Thank you for listening to Season 1 of the Animal Rights Tour. I hope you've enjoyed the journey just as much as I have. In Season 2, we explore the animal rights paradigm, what makes it interesting and attractive, and why it could transform our lives and the lives of literally billions and billions and billions of animals. I hope to see you again on the Animal Rights Tour.